I'm Liz Holland, and this is my packaging for the new range of 6-boxed acrylic colours by the long-established company of Windsor and Newton. The design needed to reflect the company's image and ideals and also appeal to its target market of young art students. The pots have screwed lids and will be refillable at local retailers of art supplies. I chose my old master's concept, picking a girl with the pearl earring by Vermeer. I used it on both label and outer packaging, linking the two. I picked this particular painting as it's a well-known portrait, and there has been a film about the artist and sitter produced lately. I overpainted the original artwork on Photoshop using the 6 paint colours and their tints and shades. The outer packaging consists of a sleeve covering an inner tin box. I have kept the main panel uncluttered by putting the detailed info on the side panels. This includes the quality of the paints, the paint colours and their names, a new Academy Acrylics range logo and a barcode. The side panels mean the information is showing no matter how the boxes are stacked on the retailer's shelves. I used 2 fonts, Verdana for all the text as it has good legibility and it's clear in small font sizes, and the decorative font Earwig Factory. Similar fonts are used throughout advertising today and will appeal to the target group. The contents and their ingredients are printed on the base of the sleeve, along with a warning the paints can stain fabric, also the company details and the place of manufacture. I researched the psychology behind each of the colours and named them Rousing Red, Blue Bliss, Eureka Yellow, Violet Vision, Gutsy Green and Optimistic Orange, using words describing the traits and values of the young student market. The use of alliteration makes the names more memorable. My starting point was to research existing packaging so I would know what shape my design would be used for. I looked for 2 concepts. First, traditional. I chose a tin box with a cardboard sleeve as the best good quality traditional packaging, echoing the company's image. A refillable paint pot will keep the cost down for the student. I chose Tetra Packs for the second, modern concept. They are light, cost-effective for the company to produce, so will keep the cost down for the students. It is more environmental friendly than the plastic tube, as it's easy to recycle, an important point to many students. My brainstorming gave me a number of concepts to explore. Concept 1 was for paint brushes. I tried out drips and the mess left from brushes, brush strokes in a maze design, and a paint-covered brush. Concept 2 was for stripes and squeeze. There's a barcode-inspired design, squeezed lines with eyes, and white text merging into white lines. The third concept was prisms and lenses. I tried triangles and circles and diamonds with light beams. The fourth was Old Masters. I tried out a Botticelli using coloured overlays, a Mondrian with the 6 chosen colours, and the Vermeer portrait. I dismissed some as being too similar to designs already on the market, or they would only work in monochrome, or they didn't hit the target age. Some had poor layouts, and some would only work for the outer packaging. I developed the Mondrian concept further and by designing a label for the outer packaging and developing the design for the tetrahedron paint tubes. The white lines are for fold lines and are only there for reference. If I had taken this design forward, I would need more time to develop the outer label, as not all the colours would be visible from the front of the round tub. Initially, I wanted to use violet, the colour of creativity, for the outer packaging, but the violet text on the side panel was almost illegible, so I used red instead for the sleeve background. It has the trait in business of high energy and strength, and it draws attention to itself.